Rob, we're here at the University of Wolverhampton, the Telford campus. There's an event coming up. What is the event?
It's a Skills and Technology Day. University of Wolverhampton Telford campus. I should reiterate that it is Telford. You've got Tungaloy, Autodesk and Hurco supporting a fantastic day.
And what are we going to see on the day?
On the day, you're going to have live milling on the 5-axis machine behind me. Autodesk have done some fantastic programming. The students have done an amazing amount of prep work before that, which we'll be able to talk about on the day. And you'll be able to see some of the latest Tungaloy technology as well.
There's a lot of open houses around the country, so why should they come to this one?
Realistically, this is a unique open day. If you haven't been to this campus, and there's many people who probably don't know it's even here because it's a bit of a hidden gem in Telford. It's £10 million worth of investment on machines such as this behind. Just coming and seeing the students, the facilities. I'll be surprised if people aren't impressed with what they come and find.
Mm-hmm. There's a lot here, isn't there? Both of our companies were sponsors of this wonderful facility, and they should come, shouldn't they, to come and learn?
They really should. It starts from 8:30. We've got buffet breakfast at 8:30. If you're hungry and still here at 12:30, there's free food again then. The event is open to anybody to come up until 4:30. So you haven't got to be at the start of the day. You can come anytime to suit the schedule. And the live demonstrations, it's not just one live demonstration. We're going to be doing it various times over the day. So whatever time you come, you're going to see the same as if you came at the start of the day or at the end of the day. You can have a tour of the facility. You're going to meet the students. And we've already got lots of big companies. There's a lot of local companies that are very big and show them support. So could be one of those people come and show the support.
So now the important bit, when is it and how do you register?
It's on the 20th of November, which is a Tuesday. You can go to the university's website and find it there, or go to the link below this video and you can register there. I recommend you do it sooner rather than later so we know you're coming, so we can make sure we've got enough food to serve everybody.